So next up, I've got our Dr. Belmeur Daily Skincare Kit. And the Dr. Belmeur Daily Skincare Kit is a lovely try-it size. Like we've had the little Belief try-its for quite a while. Now we have it in Dr. Belmeur. So this is a fantastic little, again, deluxe sample sizes. You can try the full line all in one. So you've got the foaming cleanser that has salicylic acid and amino acids. Those help to treat blemishes by unclogging the pores and clearing any dirt and debris from and dead skin cells. You've got the Sika Peptide Ampule. You actually have 2 of those. And that has the peptides that help to revitalize and firm the skin. And of course the Sika, which is that ingredient that helps to protect and heal the skin. And that's an ingredient that you'll find in all of the Dr. Belmeur products. We have the Dr. Belmeur Recovery Cream. That's the Advanced Sika Recovery Cream. And it's great for extra dry and damaged skin. This is actually part of my nighttime skincare regimen. I use this probably once or twice a week when my skin is just feeling really irritated, really tired, starting to get a little bit of redness in the skin, that sort of thing. That's when I'll add this as my nighttime moisturizer in place of some of the other products that I might use. And it has a great, my husband describes it like Fruit Loops scent. It has a really, really nice scent, but it's not a strong scent. It doesn't linger with you, but it's just a nice, pleasant scent when you're applying. And last but not least, we have the new Advanced Sika Eye Cream. So this is a great addition to the line. Because this is kind of a preview deluxe sample of this, I don't actually have any details yet on what this eye cream will do, but I'm going to guess that it's really going to just really help to firm and revitalize your skin, just like the ampules would. But stay tuned for the full size and more details on that. So that's the Daily Skincare Kit from Dr. Belmeur.